Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Aelon Huawei Watch S6. It is the latest wearable or smartwatch from Aelon. And the Watch S6, as you can see here, do have a sporty design, plus it is equipped with health monitoring function as well as the high definition, as you can see here, or high fidelity Bluetooth calling. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing of the Watch S6. We will check its design, the specs, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to know more about the Watch S6, okay, from Aelon, again, this is the Aelon Huawei Watch S6. Watch this video, and if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and have the unboxing of the Huawei Watch S6. Again, this is the first video for the unboxing. It will focus on the design, the specs, as well as the UI. Okay, so let's check first the packaging. So as you can see here, very simple packaging, similar to other Aelon smartwatches. Okay, so we do have here some details on the box. 1.83 inch, 240 by 284 pixel resolution, IP67 waterproof rated. We do have the metal buttons here. I don't know if the body frame is also metal. We'll check it. On the side, connect your life starting from your wrist. So it is using the Fit application available on Android and iOS. On the right side, we do have some features here: weather forecast, Bluetooth voice assistant, 24-hour heart rate, 1.83 inch large screen, information reminder, and sleep monitoring. At the back, we do have the specifications. So name, Huawei smartwatch. Okay, it is the Watch S6 model. We do have here the chip JL7014, Bluetooth version 5.3. Okay, and here are the other details. We'll check on this later. Okay, so that's for the packaging. We do have the black color. Okay, so let's remove the cover here. Let's remove the plastic so we can check on the contents of the wearable. Let's remove the plastic. Okay, so let's check out the contents of the Watch S6. Okay, just push it. Okay, then let's remove the cover here. I like the packaging here of the Aelon. It is also similar to other Aelon smartwatches. Okay, if you don't like, or if you're not using the smartwatch, you can just put it back, and your smartwatch is pretty safe with the packaging here. Okay, so the contents are, we have the Watch S6 smartwatch. We have a pogo pin, charging cable, type A, magnetic, and we have the user manual. Okay, again, here are the contents. We have the user manual, the charging cable, and the smartwatch with a strap attached already. Okay, so these are the contents inside the packaging. Okay, next, let's check out the design of the Watch S6. Okay, very lightweight. So we have a polycarbonate body, Okay, plastic here, I think. Yes, it's plastic. But we do have the metal buttons. Let's put this aside first. At the back, you have the branding here, the sensor, power connector, and the plastic body frame. Very lightweight so far. I like the curve here. Sporty looking, fashionable looking smartwatch, unisex design. So let's check out the dimension here. Although we do have the dimension on the packaging, let's double check. Okay, depending on the position of your measuring tool, 39. Okay, then for the length here, 46.8. Okay, 46, maybe this is 47. And for the width without the sensor, it is around 11.2. Okay, let's check here. So it's around 12 mm. I think if it's included, if the sensor is included, I think. Okay, so it's around 11.8 here. So 47, yes, and 39.5 for the width. Okay, so this is including the button here. Okay, 39.5. Very lightweight so far. Let's check out the weight. After this, we'll check on the specs, the full specs. So without the strap, it is around 21.24. Very lightweight. With the strap, 37.35. Okay, as you can see, very lightweight smartwatch. I guess because it is a PC material and not metal. Okay, looks nice so far. Very lightweight, and I like the design of the wearable. Okay, pebble like style for the design of the smartwatch. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here. Okay, for the specifications, let's turn this on first so we can check out the screen display. Hopefully there's still a power left. Okay, Huafit, powered by Aelon. English. Okay, we have the app QR code. We'll skip this. Okay. For the specifications, let's check. 1.83 inch, 240 by 284 pixel resolution. Okay. And we do have the Huafit S6 model here. JL7014 for the chip. Bluetooth 5.3 version. Battery life is 3 to 7 days. Waterproof rating IP67. Weight 37 grams. And we have here the dimension. Okay, so we do have here the basic specs. For the display, we do have here the specifications. Okay, so here's the complete specs here of the Huafit Watch S6. Okay, so let's check now the UI. On top we have the settings here. Okay, very responsive so far, as you can see here. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the split screen. On the right side we do have the widgets or the cards. You can add or remove the cards here or the widgets, as you can see. For the main menu, just press the power button here, and we have here the menus. Okay, so far I like the color here. I also like the style and the weight of the wearable. Okay, Again, this is the Huawei Watch S6. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe.